Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to buy crypto on Solflare account. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now at this home page, here you can see various options at the top: receive, buy, swap, stake and send. You need to tap on buy. Now simply tap on continue. Now you will be led to this kind of interface, and here you can see the amount that you will spend and the amount that you will get. You can also change the currency by simply tapping on this option. Likewise, at the you get section, you can simply choose the crypto. Here you can find various cryptocurrencies. After entering the amount that you want to spend, you can also see the amount that you will get at the downside. And at the bottom side, you can also see the payment methods. And here you can see or choose payment method according to your preference. Now after that, you can simply tap on buy USDC. And if you follow further process accordingly, you will be able to buy crypto on Solflare wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.